Hey YouTubers, Tim Walling here again. I wanted to share with you the light that I run on my firearm. I was looking for a light. I wanted something to go on the picatinny rail here on the front of my firearm. I started looking around and they had these on sale. I actually got this thing on one of the Black Friday deals. And it's an Olight. It's the PL Valkyre edition, PL Mini Valkyrie edition of the Olight. This thing's got 400 lums on it. It's water resistant. It goes up to 75 meters and 71 hours of runtime. Put it on my firearm. Well, let me back up for just a minute. Get the actual light that you do get. So it's a nice looking light. Very easy to operate. It's just got an arm on the side right here that locks it, and then you undo it. That unlocks it. What I really like about it is the charger. You don't even have to remove the light to charge it. This is a magnet. You just get it close to it. The magnet goes right onto it. Plug it into any cell phone charger. Plug it into your computer. Whatever you want to plug it into there, and it'll charge the light for you. It doesn't take long to charge it. I've charged this light one time, and I've had it for six months, going on 7 months now. So firearm's clear, no magazine in the gun, no ammunition in the area. All right, so slides right onto the firearm. Flip that down. There it is. It's attached. So there it is, actually on the firearm. Now remember, this is going to change your holsters. You're going to have to redo your holsters if you do this and are actually carrying the firearm. But I wanted a light that I could put on here and run at night in the house, my home protection gun. And I do carry this gun a good bit, and I did make a holster that would accommodate this light on the front of it for when I do carry it concealed with me. I really like the light. I like the way it fits the firearm. I like how easy it is to take on and off, just flipping that one thing there. Now this Olight, it's actually made for Glocks and the Glock rail. Any other firearm that has the same style rail as a Glock, this thing will fit on it. In the box comes a second little piece that mounts on the front of the firearm. It goes on a 1913 picatinny rail. So you would take this small piece right here. You would undo it. Comes with the tool. They send you the tool to take it out. You would take that out. Install this one in there. There's 2 little screws in it. And this light would fit a 1913 picatinny rail also. And anything that has the 1913 style picatinny rail built onto it, it'll fit. Anything that has a Glock style rail built on it, it'll fit. So the way you activate the light is there's a switch right here. So your index finger comes down. If you push it really quick, let it go, light stays on. Push it again, it turns off. Push it down and hold it, light stays on. And when you let go, it turns off. It also has one on this side, so you could use your thumb from your support hand if you wanted to. Hold the light on, release it, push it, it stays on, comes off. So the controller's on both sides. So if you're a southpaw, you can still operate it here with your trigger finger if you wanted to also, or use your thumb on this side to operate the light. So it's a good looking light, lightweight, snaps on really quick, really secure. Had no issues with this thing coming off or coming loose at all. It stayed in place. It's a good snug fit on the firearm. And very, very bright light. Batteries lasting a very long time for me on this, and comes with a magnetic charger on it, so you don't even have to take the light off to charge it, which is a nice feature on the light itself. So if you're looking for a light for your firearm, this Olight, and this is the PL Mini Valkyrie, and it's a 400 lums light for your firearm. So take care, everybody. Remember, buy gun safes, gun locks, lock up your firearm, Don't leave your firearm out so it falls in the hands of children or unauthorized people. We want to prevent injuries with firearms. So secure your firearms. Have a good evening, everybody.